Parang ganun din sinabi ko dyan eh. Sweet na naman.
Banda mo, pre!
Ganun talaga no. Yeah, pag ba ako hiniligan ng tubig. Okay. Back to discussion. Sorry na. Okay. Ngayon, ang nangyari dito si Moses is so serious, nandun siya sa ginagawa niya. Pero alam mo, the Lord visited Moses. Sino gusto nang bisitahan ng Lord? Gusto nang bisitahan ng Lord? Pero preparate. Use the Lord as a clear instruction for them. Tanong ko, what's your boasting? Ano kayang boasting na yung Lord taas? Ngayon, ang boasting na kay Moses is itong virtue. Marami ang signal na pinapadala sa iyo si Lord. Pero ang tanong, do you want to go to the lifestyle na pinapasabi ng Lord? Okay. Let's move on. Let's get this background and then we will go to my slides. Okay. And the Lord appeared to him in a flame, verse 2, from fire in the midst of the bush. So he looked, and behold, the bush was burning with fire, but the bush was not consumed. Verse 3, Then Moses said, I will now turn aside and see this great sight, why the bush does not burn. So, pinuntahan niya yung bush. Okay. Sometimes may ghosting na si Lord, pero hindi ka pumupunta. May, kunyari daw, sino dito pumunta na pilit na? Okay? Wala naman? Wala. Parang ayaw tumingin eh. Nagaganon sila kasi yung mga ate nila, sige, tapos mamaya wala. Pero alam mo, sinasabi ko dito, Stephen...
Ako talaga tiro.
Okay.
Pag na.
Sana siya kamay. Okay. Ngayon, then, even though na mayroong signal si Lord, ang tanong, do you go after God? Do you take the first step? Ibig sabihin, do you go outside mo? Kasi, tandaan mo, ito yung first check. Ito yung first test ni Moses in order para siyang tawagin to lead people to worship. Ngayon, ang first test is, are you willing to go after God? Hindi sapat yung signal ng Lord sa'yo. Kailangan mag-respond ka sa signal. Amen? So, verse 4. So when the Lord saw that he turned aside to look, God called to him, and in the midst of the bush and said, Moses, Moses. Tinawag ni God yung pangalan ni Moses. Moses, Moses. Alam mo, the Lord is calling also your name. Bawat isa sa atin, tinatawag ni Lord by your name. And pero alam mo ang sinabi ni Moses, hindi siya nagulat. Sabi niya, sino ka? Mamaya na, later na Lord. Pero ang in-answer niya, verse 4. And he said, Moses said, here I am. Ang ganda na answer niya, you need to have a right response to God. Ang worship, you need to have a right response. Paano ka ba mag-respond kay God? Mamaya na Lord, o kaya bukas na Lord, o kaya later na Lord, tinatawag ka na mag-pastor, tinatawag ka mag-worship lead, hindi pa ako ready Lord. O kaya tinatawag ka mag-lead ng small group, o kaya magkaroon ng change sa school mo. Pero ang tanong ko, ang tanong ni God, tinawag lang yung pangalan mo, pero ang sagot mo dapat, here I am. Then, he said, do not go near this place, sabi ni God. Take your sandals off your feet, for the place where you stand is holy ground. Moreover, he said, I am the God of your father, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob. And Moses hid his face, for he was afraid to look upon God. Meron siya deep sense of awe and reverence kay God. And yung pinakita niya, yes, fear. Marami na ngayon na pag nag-worship wala ng fear kay God, kung kakakanta na lang, worship is more than singing songs. So, now, with that in background, we will analyze what is worship. Okay? So, number 1, okay? I think na wala ko pa yung projector. Okay. So, kung if you have pencil papers with you,
F5.
okay.
F5 lang.
Next slide. Next slide. Yeah. Next slide. Okay. Get that. Number 1 is stand before God. Basahin nyo nga yan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Stand before God. Sabi dyan sa Exodus chapter 23, verse 25. Ang sabi